Hello and welcome. Are you just starting to learn English? Do you want to improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills? Then this video is for you. In this A1 level guide, I'll show you easy and effective ways to improve your English every day. Whether you are learning for school, work, travel, or just for fun, these tips will help you build confidence and speak better English. So, get your notebook ready, and let's begin your English journey step by step. Section 1. Learn basic words. At the A1 level, it's important to learn basic vocabulary. Start with simple words you use every day. For example, numbers: 1, 2, 3, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday. Colors: red, blue, green. Food: apple, rice, chicken. Family: mother, father, sister. Make flashcards or use apps like Duolingo or Memrise to learn and remember new words. Try to learn 5 new words every day. Repeat them aloud and write sentences with them. For example, I like apples. My mother is kind. The more you use these words, the faster you will remember them. Section 2. Practice speaking. Speaking is very important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. Try to speak English every day. You can. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Practice with a friend or tutor. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Start with simple sentences. My name is Maria. I live in India. I like music. You can also read out loud from English books or news websites. This will help your mouth get used to the sounds. Try to copy the way native speakers talk by watching YouTube videos or English movies with subtitles. Pause, repeat, and practice. Little by little, your speaking will improve. Section 3. Listen to English. Listening helps you understand how English is really used. Start with simple listening materials. Here are some ideas. Listen to English songs with lyrics. Watch English cartoons or children's shows. Use beginner podcasts, like The English We Speak from BBC. Listen every day, even for just 10 minutes. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Focus on keywords. For example, in a song, you may hear, I love you, I miss you. Try to write down what you hear, and then check with the subtitles or transcript. Repetition is key. Listen to the same audio many times. Your brain will start to understand the patterns and sounds naturally. Listening helps you with pronunciation and vocabulary too. Section 4. Read every day. Reading improves your vocabulary and grammar. Begin with simple books, such as children's storybooks, easy news websites like News in Levels, English subtitles on YouTube videos. When you read, try to understand the main idea. Don't stop for every difficult word. Guess the meaning from the sentence. Later, you can look up new words in a dictionary like Cambridge or Oxford. Try reading short texts and writing down 3 new words. Then, make a sentence with each word. For example, new word, happy. Sentence, I am happy today. This will help you remember and use new vocabulary correctly. Read out loud to also improve your pronunciation. Section 5. Learn basic grammar. At the A1 level, you need to understand simple grammar. Start with present simple. I eat rice. Past simple. I ate rice. Future. I will eat rice. Questions. What is your name? Negative. I don't like coffee. Use online grammar websites or books for practice. Grammarly and British Council's Learn English are great tools. Do exercises to practice verbs, pronouns, articles, and prepositions. Write simple sentences about your life. I go to school every day. Yesterday I watched a movie. Tomorrow I will go shopping. Try to speak and write with correct grammar. Practice makes perfect. Section 6. Write simple sentences. Writing helps you use vocabulary and grammar. Begin with small writing tasks. For example, write about your day. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. Write about your family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Write about your favorite food. I like pizza. Keep a daily English journal. Try to write 3 to 5 sentences every day. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to practice. After writing, read it aloud. Then check for small mistakes. You can use tools like Grammarly or ask a tutor for help. Another fun way is to write comments on English videos or social media. You'll get used to writing in a real-world way. Conclusion: great job. You now know how to improve your English at the A1 level. Remember, learn new words, speak often, listen daily, read simple texts, practice grammar, and write every day. Make English a part of your daily life, and don't give up. Every small step helps you get better. Be patient and keep going. Thank you for watching. If you like this guide, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. What is your favorite way to practice English? Keep learning and see you in the next video.